Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best heavy-duty sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Juki TL 2000BE sewing and quilting machine. The Juki TL 2000BE is one of the best in the business. Like many modern devices, this sewing device features loads of automated features. It has automatic thread trimming, which allows you to trim both the top thread and bobbin thread with great ease. The Juki TL 2000BE features a better thread tension adjustment system with which you can find the best tension for both your fabric and thread. This sewing machine has a microprocessor which looks after the speed control. So, you can easily adjust the speed your machine so that it suits all types of fabric, thick or thin. The machine also has better needle control so you can have more precision when you quilt and design. The Juki TL 2000BE features an automatic needle threader so you won't have to go through the hassle of manually inserting the thread, which helps you sew your fabric faster. This sewing machine also contains LED lights so that you can clearly see the area you're sewing. While the Juki TL 2000BE is the best in the business, the main drawback that would deter customers from buying it would be the price. It is expensive and not everyone can afford it. In terms of use, it is much different from other conventional sewing machines, so there is definitely a learning curve with it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Janome sewing machine. This is one of the best heavy-duty sewing machines out there, made with durability in mind. It has a couple of interesting features, though not as many and fancy as those found in other models. Although it doesn't have the many features that no one ever uses in their entire sewing life, the Janome HD3000BE boasts a sturdy aluminum body that will be with you throughout your sewing journey. It is heavy enough to stay put when the motor is moving, as well as get transported from one place to another. The machine features 21 built-in stitches, which are more than enough for home use, plus it features a free arm for making cuffs and sleeves easily. Its design is not only robust for longevity but also convenient. It has a chamber in which you can store accessories like needles and extra feet. Essentially, the Janome HD3000BE has a 1.0 M motor that can sew through several layers of fabric. You will be able to work on thicker fabrics like denim and canvas easily. Other convenient features on the machine include a transparent bobbin that allows you to monitor thread supply, a built-in needle threader, and a hard cover that keeps the machine safe from dust. The hard cover also makes it easily portable. At number 3, we have the Janome HD1000BE HD1000 Black Edition all-metal body sewing machine. The Janome Industrial Grade HD1000 is an industrial-grade sewing machine that can be used for heavyweight fabrics and leather. That is achieved thanks to the powerful motor, and also the product has an all-aluminum interior frame and body. The main purpose of the Janome HD1000 isn't to sew dresses or hats. It's to craft baggage, upholstery, sofa cushions, blankets, and so on. Another amazing feature of this machine is the automatic needle threader that makes operating it a breeze. While the HD1000 works great on heavyweight fabric, it's not meant to be used on thin fabrics such as linen, wool, cotton and so on. Although this is an industrial-grade sewing machine, it doesn't cost a lot of money. Unfortunately, a few people mentioned that the thread was getting jammed constantly, even on straight stitching. Also, its cord might seem too short for some. At number 2, we have the Singer Heavy-Duty 4452 sewing machine. Singer has made this model to ensure exceptional level of quality. It has 32 built-in stitches that will allow you plenty of versatility with your sewing and quilting. There are also plenty of accessories to get you started. This is a reliable model, and you can sense that it was built to last. If anything does go wrong, then you'll have the support of a 25-year warranty on the machine head and 2 on the motor. Durability is impressive here, and it's heavy-duty in that respect. Where it's not quite heavy-duty is the types of fabrics that it can deal with. It can struggle with the likes of thick leather or several layers, which is important to note. It also doesn't support the largest spools of thread, which can be frustrating if that's what you prefer working with. Aside from those issues, this machine is excellent in almost all areas. It's relatively compact and doesn't take up too much space. The vibrations are kept to a minimum, so the table won't rattle. Another nice feature is the built-in lights to help guide you for accurate sewing. It's an impressive model and one that'll allow you to use it in any project. And finally at number 1, we have the Singer Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer 4432 is another mechanical sewing machine which is very easy to get used to as it doesn't have that many functions. It has 32 built-in stitches which include 18 decorative stitches, 6 basic stitches, 7 stretched stitches as well as a one-step buttonhole. This sewing machine has a dial which controls the width of the stitches and it can be set to a maximum of 6 mm. The Singer 4432 also features a built-in needle threader which saves you time and has 3 different needle positions. It contains a motor which is 60% stronger than other motors, which allows the machine to sew at a rate of 1100 SPM and also has the piercing power to sew through multiple layers of fabric. And because it is inexpensive, it's good for those wanting to start sewing. While the Singer 4432 is good for beginners, its lack of functions makes it restrictive as you gain more experience. And this machine is partly made up of plastic to reduce the weight, so it is flimsier than others in the market. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.